In order to set up the environment, you should download and install Python if you haven't yet. Actually, this tutorial doesn't require some particular version, but I will use 3.9. As a code editor, I will use PyCharm Community Edition. It's convenient enough and completely free. All useful and needed links for downloading or reading are attached to the course. So let's set up the project. The location doesn't really matter. And here let's choose the existing interpreter and let's create the project. Let's wait for a bit. Yeah, so it's done. And after that, we need to import the Python Telegram bot model. Here's a link to it. It will help us to create the bot with the help of just a few lines. So we need to go to the command prompt and install the needed model. Let's wait for a bit. As you can see, it's downloading. So after it's finished, let's code first lines of our bot and see that it successfully works.